What mineral prevents dental caries? Did you guess it? The answer is fluoride. How is dietary fat transported first? Time's up! It's chylomicrons! Where does the TCA cycle occur? Did you guess it? The answer is mitochondria. When is glucagon secreted? The answer is low blood sugar. Why are trans fats health risks? The answer is raise LDL. Who first used the term vitamine? Answer, Casimir Funk. What vitamin prevents neural tube defects? Did you guess it? The answer is folate. How many calories are in 1 gram of fat? The answer is 9 calories. Where is most water absorbed? Answer, small intestine. When is glycogenolysis stimulated? Here is the answer, during fasting. Why is vitamin A vital for vision? Did you guess it? The answer is forms rhodopsin. What is the RDI for sodium? The answer is 2300 millir. How does vitamin E protect lipids? The answer is antioxidant. Who discovered vitamin K? The answer is Henrik Dam. Why is biotin a carboxylase cofactor? Here is the answer, carries CO2. Why is molybdenum needed for enzymes? Time's up, it's sulfide oxidase. What protein transports iron in serum? The answer is transferrin. How is cholecalciferol hydroxylated? Did you guess it? The answer is in the liver. Where is the SGLT1 transporter located? Time's up, it's enterocytes. When does autophagy increase? Did you guess it? The answer is nutrient stress. Who isolated thiamine from rice husks? Time's up, it's Umataro Suzuki. Why is leucine unique in ketogenesis? Here is the answer, purely ketogenic. What amino acid makes serotonin? The correct choice is tryptophan. How does boron influence bone? Did you guess it? The answer is steroid levels. Where is the enzyme sucrase located? Time's up, it's brush border! When is the urea cycle upregulated? And the answer is high protein. Why is chromium part of chromodulin? Did you guess it? The answer is insulin action. What sugar uses GLUT5 for transport? And the answer is fructose. How is phylloquinone converted to MK4? And the answer is UBAD1 enzyme. Who described the glucose fatty acid cycle? The answer is Philip Randall. Why is choline a precursor to betaine? Did you guess it? The answer is methyl donor. Where is pepsinogen converted to pepsin? Time's up, it's stomach lumen. When is the Cori cycle most active? Answer, anaerobic state. What inhibits non-heme iron absorption? Time's up, it's phytates. How is pantothenic acid used in CoA? The answer is cysteamine bond. Why is fluoride stored in apatite? The correct choice is fluoroapatite. Where is ApoB48 synthesized? Time's up, it's enterocytes. When is leptin resistance common? Time's up, it's obesity. Who discovered the role of zinc in DNA? The correct choice is Aaron Klug. What enzyme initiates lipolysis? Here is the answer, ATGL. How is homocysteine remethylated? Time's up, it's B12 and folate. Why is carnitine needed for beta oxidation? The answer is FA transport. Where is intrinsic factor produced? And the answer is parietal cells. When is the hormone ghrelin highest? Answer, before meals. What cofactor is used by lysyl oxidase? Did you guess it? The answer is copper. How does arsenic affect metabolism? Here is the answer, thiol binding. Why is vanadium considered ultra-trace? The answer is low requirement. Where is the primary site of gluconeogenesis? And the answer is liver. Who identified the structure of CoQ10? And the answer is Carl Folkers. When is dietary fiber fermented? Here is the answer. Large intestine. That's it for today. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily trivia. See you next time.